let's say you adopt a dog, right? And they've been given the 3-year rabies vaccine. Are there things you can do to kind of keep the good, I guess, if there's any good in the vaccine and kind of get rid of like anything else they put in there that could be harmful? Is there a way to do that? Or,
That's a very important question, because it segues into a tremendous amount of what we do here at Happy Tails, and that is when we set up a protocol in the beginning, what we want to do is detox, gently
yeah,
detox the body of these residues, of the vaccine
yes,
residues, of the pesticides, herbicides, insecticides. So part of what a protocol is, even if it's not a diagnosed condition yet, we want to clear
right.
the body out.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is what we do is we detox the residues of the heavy metals, of the things that should not be in the vaccine to begin with, but then should not be in the animals.
Right.
So absolutely.
That's fantastic because I do believe that that had something to do with what happened to Willow and just, and the thing that, this allopathic model doesn't work for humans, it certainly doesn't work for animals. This pill for every ill, just, oh, you have this problem, take this pill. Or these pharmaceutical commercials crack me up when they're like, oh, we created this pharmaceutical to counteract, the side effects from this other pharmaceutical. I mean, it's
Right.
just crazy. And I've had my own health journey with functional medicine and also spiritual healing. So I'm very much
Yes.
like on the
Yes.
same page as you, Debbie. I could see how this is so different, this vibrational and frequency medicine from this really disgusting allopathic model, which homeopathy was mainstream in this country, what, until the 1900s? I mean,
Yes.
there was a time when it was
Absolutely.
accepted,
A
you know?
household.
Yeah. Yeah. So I mean, it's just crazy. So are there other things we can do to prevent illness in our animals that we haven't yet talked about? We talked about food, we talked about preventives. What are some other things we can do as responsible pet owners
Okay.
and pet lovers?
So so one thing that we have on the homepage of the Happy Tails site is
Mhm,
called the Wise Parents Checklist. Okay? That's a
mhm.
free download, and it's actually a checklist that you can go through, and it has some pointers in there for keeping your animals healthy and being more aware of them. So, again, the basics are going to be feeding them correctly, drinking, having good, pure drinking water, which is a big one, but
Yeah.
cutting down the household chemicals and toxicity. What are you using in the yard? Are you spraying, chemicals around the house? Are the areas where the animal lays being sprayed? And then also, what are you using in the house? Are you
Yeah.
using fabric softener? That's a big one. It's full
Oh
of
god, it's
chemicals.
gross. Those chemicals. Yeah. Ugh.
Yeah,
I can't even
fabric
stand those
softener.
commercials. Yeah.
It's the whole inside of the house and the outside of the house
Mhm.
that you want to clear out the chemicals.
Yep.
And a lot of alternative people are already aware of this and they are already doing it, but it affects not only you, but your animal. So it's keeping a chemical free environment
Yeah.
is a
Well,
big
even
one.
now, it's huge. I mean, it's everywhere. I mean, I since like 2002, I've been on this clean, using clean products, but I think more people are becoming aware of it now. But like even the scented trash bags, like when I'm in the grocery store and I see those, I just like makes me want to pull my hair out. It's just disgusting. And it's
Yeah.
just we're just living in this chemical soup all the time.